3, 2, 1.
What is formed by water evaporating from a solution of water and minerals? The answer is A, shale. What may be a plausible fact about my feelings on the movie? The answer is A, I thought the movie was worth seeing. What exponent of the arts and crafts movement stated, "There is no failure except in not trying"? The answer is C, Elbert Hubbard. How do you go skydiving? How would you do this? The answer is A, jump out of a plane in the air while harnessed. What year was Chopin born? The answer is B, 1810. Why is a can more sanitary than a mouth? The answer is D, because of germs people have. Which factor determines whether precipitation will be in the form of rain or snow? The answer is D, temperature. What type of trait does the narrator have? The answer is A, they are philanthropists. What may happen before John gets on the train? The answer is D, John gets too involved in my personal decisions. We see the lady in the lower left hand of the screen talking. We see a person open and clean a pumpkin. What happens next? The answer is B, see the person carve a drawing on a pumpkin. On the TV shower Scrubs, what flavor baby food did Keith eat first at Elliot's baby shower for Carla at the baby game station? The answer is B, turnips. Why is James imploring others to run away from the castle? The answer is D, James feels it is unsafe. When did Captain Damien Desplat arrive? The answer is B, 1674. When was the Smart Bodies Initiative first released? The answer is D, 2005. A man sits down in a kitchen. He starts playing an accordion in his hands. A brown dog. What happens next? The answer is C, comes up and stands by him. How many U.S. ships were lost at Okinawa? The answer is D, 38. In what year did Massachusetts first require children to be educated in schools? The answer is B, 1852. When did Espanyol offer a counter-petition against autonomy? The answer is C, 1918. What may be the reason why their mom bought them clothes? The answer is A, they want to support them. What may happen while the phone is being taken away? The answer is D. There might be an argument. How did I feel about the vegetable soup? The answer is D. I thought it was great. Normally, a game of table tennis is played up to how many points? The answer is C. 21. Calculations are described showing conversions between molar mass and what for gases? The answer is A. Density. Stoichiometric coefficients are used in chemical equations to indicate the amounts of reactants and what? The answer is D. Products. What can we deduce about the narrator in this passage? The answer is B. They are an anime fan. What may have happened if he was a fast runner? The answer is B. He may not have looked up slow runner. Eddie Murphy plays a street hustler in the movie Trading Places. What was his name in the movie? The answer is B. Billy Ray Valentine. In what year did 12 national science academies issue a joint statement on climate change? The answer is A. 2001. When did St. Francis Xavier die? The answer is A. 1552. On November 18 in 1913, Lincoln Beakey became the first American to perform which one of the following? The answer is D. Whoop the loop in a plane. What is causing so much pain to the narrator as hips? The answer is D. A pending child. In what year was the best-selling album of the 1970s released? The answer is C. 1977. In what year did The Farm release their first album? The answer is C. 1984. A fresh breeze is what number on the Beaufort scale? The answer is D. 5. What term means controlling body temperature within a narrow range from the inside through biochemical or physical means? The answer is D. Endothermy. Nutrients are recycled when materials decompose in an ecosystem, which is the best example of the decomposition process where organic material is recycled in an ecosystem. The answer is C. Bacteria feeding on dead plants. When did Schwarzenegger purchase the rights to the film Pumping Iron? The answer is B. 1991. In cryptography, Magenta is a symmetric key block cipher developed for a German telecommunications company formed in what year? The answer is B. 1996. Which of these is a non-living thing? The answer is D, a river. In the formation of the earliest cells, which of the following components most likely arose first? The answer is B, plasma membrane. For which movie did Edward Norton put on 30 pounds to make himself look more dangerous? The answer is D, American History X. Which of these American cities got the nickname America's most patriotic town as a result of having the oldest Independence Day celebrations? The answer is A, Bristol, Rhode Island. Why did he stop by to visit? The answer is A, he wanted to visit the kittens. Because charges must have an unbroken path to follow, electric current cannot flow through a material unless it forms what? The answer is A, closed loop. What may be plausible about this person? The answer is D, they were having a hard time sleeping. What was the visitor that came? The answer is D, a frog. How many families live in the Roman Catholic Church? The answer is C, 80. Who portrayed the wealthy Philadelphian socialite Tracy Lord in the 1940 movie The Philadelphia Story? The answer is B, Katharine Hepburn. In the game of darts, what is the maximum score that can be achieved in one throw of 3 darts? The answer is C, 180. We've seen these animals as friendly and approachable, but the truth is that they are unpredictable. What is the average number of fatalities a year elephants cause?